I invite him to address the Assembly on behalf of the General Assembly.
Assalamu alaikum. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wa sallallahu ala Sayyidina wa Nabiyyina Muhammadin wa alihi at-Tahirin wa sahbihi al-muntajabin.
Is this the first time that the words of God, of the Omnipotent, are being burned? Presuming while they do so that they can extinguish the divine voice for eternity? Did Nimrod, Pharaoh, Qarun, and Caesar triumph over Abraham, Moses, and Jesus? The Quran forbids all forms of violence in human interactions and deems respect towards Abraham, Moses, and Jesus on par and equal to with the sanctity for the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. These understandings that bring unity and divine teachings that inspire, that build human characters, that build societies, that build progress for human societies will never be burned, is eternal. They remain impervious. The fires of disrespect will not overcome the truth, the divine truth.